In this video, I'll be talking about the cursor property. This will be a very short video. Now, let me tell you something funny. If you look at an HTML and a CSS reference book and you look at the section about cursors, you'll see a monstrous amount of possible value. The list is so long, it's scary. However, in all honesty, you hardly have to use any of them. In fact, only one you really have to know well in practice is cursor equals pointer. And what you use that for is if you want to change the user's cursor to a pointy hand when you hover over a particular element. You've definitely seen it before, although I think if I give you a visual example, it's much easier for you to understand. So let me write some code as an example. So let's set a divider and give it an ID of A. Let's type some text. This is a divider. Let's give a height of 150. Give it a width of 150. Let's give it a background color of red. And let's set this cursor value to pointer. Let me show you what this looks like in the browser. See? Before, there would be no pointy hand. See? Here's the pointy hand. Now, in all honesty, I have pretty much never really used this property for anything else. Alternatively, what you can use this for is to turn off the initial way a link tag would display itself. So you can theoretically set a link tag's cursor to none, and then this pointy hand, when you hover over your link tag, will not appear. Although I do not see in practice why you would want to do that. But anyways, this about wraps up our video. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.